बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 5 मई 2024 के अखबार में। तो पहली जॉब है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, इस्लामाबाद। चैलेंजिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी। The Ministry of Science and Technology requires the services of a qualified, energetic, experienced and motivated professional for appointment as chairperson Pakistan Council for Science and Technology PCST in BS22 in order to meet and implement the mandate of the organization as laid down in PCST Act 2017. Name of post chairperson Pakistan Council for Science and Technology PCST Islamabad. Qualification and experience PhD in natural sciences / engineering / technology. Experience minimum 20 years relevant experience in senior management position, preferably as head of department HOD. Job description. The chairperson shall perform duties and functions as are assigned to him under the PCST Act 2017. Number 1, pay and allowance equivalent to BS22. Number 2, age minimum 50 years and maximum 62 years on the closing date of advertisement. Number 3, tenure 3 years. Number 4, nationality Pakistani. Applications on prescribed performer addressed the section officer ORG1, Ministry of Science and Technology. Complete in all respect along with CV / biodata, 02 recent passport size photographs and copy of CNIC should reach the undersigned on the following address within 15 days of publication of this advertisement. Not EA/DA will be admissible to candidates called for interview. Name of post applied for should be written on the top right corner of the envelope. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for interview by selection board. For details of job description / responsibilities, please visit official website https://www.most.gov.pk. Azhar Memo section officer ORG1, Ministry of Science and Technology, 1-Constitution Avenue, G for ground /5/2 Islamabad. Phone number 0519206485, 0519206485। अच्छा जी, एक और जॉब है, जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ ऑन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बेसिस। ये भी 5 मई की अखबार की जॉब है, जंग की। पावर इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनी PITC इज़ अ पब्लिक सेक्टर स्टेट ओन्ड एंटरप्राइज विद मैंडेट टू प्रोवाइड IT services and technology solution to DISCOs and power sector entities with its head office at Wabda House, Lahore. PITC invites application from energetic, qualified and experienced professionals for the following positions purely on performance-based contracts not to be regularized in future. Position assistant manager ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है IT, लमसम पैकेज। Academic qualifications, number 1, master degree or equivalent with at least 60% marks in the computer science / information technology / computer software engineering or a related field from HSC recognized university / institute. Number 2, candidate having a 4 years bachelor degrees in computer related fields are also eligible. Candidates must have throughout first division in their career. Age up to 33 years on the closing date of advertisement, including 5 years general relaxation permissible in the rules. Number of posts 26. Provincial quota. Merit and provincial quota is applicable. Candidates domiciled across the country may apply for the position. Note: candidates will be hired initially as MTOs for a period of 3 to 6 months, likely to be considered for the post of assistant manager ID depending on the evaluation of achievement of assigned targets and KPLs. Position corporate accountant, lump-sum package. Academic qualification CA ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ inter/ACMA, inter/ACCA/MBA, finance/MCOM. Age up to 28 years on the closing date of advertisement, including the general relaxation permissible in the rules. Number of posts 4. Provincial quota. The candidates from Punjab province only may apply for the post. Position network technician lump sum package, academic qualifications metric or equivalent, 1 year diploma networking and hardware from TE, TA or PP, TE recognized institute. Age up to 28 years on the closing date of advertisement, including the general relaxation permissible in the rules. Number of posts to provincial quota. The candidates from Punjab province only may apply for the post. Instructions and general conditions. Candidates must consult job description / responsibilities on company's website and must apply online at https://jobs.pitc.com.pk within 15 days from the date of advertisement. The applications received through online job portal will only be entertained. Must obtain at least 50% marks in the professional test. The above positions are purely contractual in nature, non-pensionable, no long-term benefit, and shall not be converted into permanent positions / regularized at any stage. The position is offered on market-based lump sum package, and employment will be on an open contract with 6 months probation period. Attested copies of all educational testimonials, experience certificates, and other required documents must be attached. Incomplete application and those without attachments shall not be entertained. Candidates may contact HR and Admin Directorate for further queries at 04299202666, 04299202666, HR and Admin Directorate, Power Information Technology Company PITC 405 वापटा हाउस लाहौर। अच्छा जी, एक और आई हुई है पावर इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनी PITC इज़ पब्लिक सेक्टर। ये एक और जॉब आई हुई है PITC की। पोस्ट नेम डायरेक्टर फाइनेंस, एज लिमिट 45, नंबर ऑफ पोस्ट 1। ये भी 5 मई की अखबार की है और 15 दिन का इसका टाइम है। Minimum qualifications / experience required and the relevant service rules. Must be a member of recognized body of professional accountants and / or masters in finance / accounting throughout first division from HEC approved, reputed and accredited institutions. Must have cutting edge knowledge of finance and accounting with minimum 12 years of post qualification experience, including 5 years in middle management or higher positions with minimum or large scale private or public organizations. Director HR and an admin, age limit 45, number of post 1A, must hold MBA HR / masters in HR from any accredited foreign / local HEC recognized university. B, must have at least 12 years post qualification relevant experience in public / private sector with 5 years in middle or higher management position. Number C, diploma in labor law will be added advantage. Company secretary, age limit 45, number of post 1A, member of recognized body of professional accountant or corporate / chartered secretaries or holding master's degree in business administration / commerce or law graduate from HEC recognized university. B, minimum 10 years post qualification experience in corporate organizations, out of which at least 5 years full time experience of company secretary, legal advisor, retainership. Number of post 1, must have minimum qualification being law graduate from HEC recognized university of good reputed. Qualification of LLM or bar at law will be given preference. Candidate must be a practicing lawyer of a high court for 15 years. Candidate must have full grasp on corporate / companies laws and preference will be given to the candidate having experience in dealing with employee service matters. Remuneration negotiable. Market-based salary package will be offered to the selected candidate considering his / her qualification and experience. The gratuity and leaves will be offered as per company policy. Tenure 3 years contract, extendable subject to satisfactory performance, good conduct and need basis. Instructions and general conditions. Candidate must consult job description, responsibilities / TORs on company's website and must apply online at https jobs.pitc.com.pk within 15 days from the date of advertisement. 5th May 2024 is the publication date. The applications received through online job portal will only be entertained. Attested copies of all educational testimonials, experience certificates and other required documents must be attached. Incomplete application and those without required attachments shall not be entertained. Candidates may contact HR and Admin Directorate for further queries at 04299202666, 04299202666, HR and Admin Directorate, पावर इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनी PITC 405 वापडा हाउस लाहौर। तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो। अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।